Good morning, guys. I just wanted to give this video, take a minute to go over your assignments and announcements for the week. Hopefully you've read through the announcements post that was posted earlier. It goes through this same exact stuff, but just in case, here's a video going through it that'll hopefully break it down a little bit for you. Monday's fairly easy. We're starting this little quick unit over simple machines and compound machines. And Monday, you're going to watch an Edpuzzle video all about simple machines. Same old, easy as usual. You just got to watch it, click through the answers. Make sure you take your time because it doesn't let you redo your answers after you've answered. So take your time. Go through the video. This will be due Monday night this week. For Tuesday into Wednesday, there's a vocabulary assignment where it goes through all the important terms that deal with simple machines and compound machines. There's a website that I'm linking for you that basically has all the definitions, except for a couple words. And any words you can't find, just Google them. It'll be right there on Google for you. But what you're going to do is you're going to, in the assignment, you're going to put the word's definition, you're going to use the word in the sentence, and then you're going to find an image that represents the word and paste it over into the assignment. And you will get your assignment points for doing that. You have Tuesday and Wednesday. This will be due Wednesday evening. And then Thursday into Friday and actually into the weekend, you are going to start an assignment where you get to be creative. You are going to create a compound machine using what you know about simple machines. Once you get into the vocabulary and the Edpuzzles, you're going to realize that a compound machine is just two or more simple machines that work together to make a larger machine. So what you're going to do is make one up. It can be realistic. It could be completely wacky and fictional, fake. And when I say realistic, it could be some kind of a car or some kind of a machine that you would use in your normal life. Or when I say fictional or fake or crazy, it could be flying into space machine or a superpower giving machine or just something crazy. But the point of the assignment is you are going to take what you know about all the simple machines and combine them to make your compound machine. So some instructions about this assignment: you're going to design a compound machine that uses at least one of all 6 simple machines, meaning somewhere in your compound machine that you make up, you're going to have at least one lever, at least one pulley, at least one wheel and axle, at least one inclined plane, at least one wedge, and at least one screw. Somewhere in your machine is going to be at least one of each of all those. Most likely you're going to have many. And what you're going to do, you're just going to take some paper and pencils, colored pencils, crayons, markers, whatever you have available, and you're going to draw your machine. Once you've drawn your machine, I want you to color it, make it creative, and you're also going to label your machine. But what you're going to label is the inclined plane, the screw, the wedge, the pulley, the lever, the wheel and axle. You're going to label where those things are in your machine. There's a Google Doc where you will put 2 things in this Google Doc. You're going to paste your picture of your machine that you drew. You're going to put a picture in there, and you're also going to write a quick paragraph that describes what your compound machine does. So your paragraph will tell me what your machine does, and it's also going to tell me how each individual simple machine participates in the overall compound machine. Like, what's the purpose of the pulley or the lever, the wheel and axle, the inclined plane, the wedge, the screw? Like, what's the point of each of those in your machine? So for this quick assignment, you are going to have the picture of your colored and labeled drawing pasted in the Google Doc, as well as your paragraph that explains what your machine does, as well as how each simple machine contributes to your machine. And that's due Sunday evening by the end of the day. As always, with any of this stuff, if you have any questions for me, please feel free to email me and ask questions. We are not having an official Zoom this week. But if anyone feels like, hey, a Zoom might help me, email me. We'll set up a Zoom. Otherwise, there's no official Zoom. But yeah, if you have any questions, send me an email, and I hope you have a great week.